Hi friends, today I'm going to share with you this folding plug charger. This came in this box. Let's go open. Amazon sent me this product to share with you. This is what you see when you open the box. Came with this push manual. And this is black. As you can see, this product is too easy to carry. It's a fast charge. So you can use it in all your devices like your cell phone, your tablet, or anything you need to charge that have Type-C, because this charger is Type-C, as you can see. So you can charge anything in any moment with this simple and easy to carry charger. I'm gonna put it in the energy to see how it works. So let me show you. I have here the energy. You just put your plug here and connect your cell phone or your device. And as you can see, it's already charging. So you can put it in your bag, you can put it in any place, and it's a great accessory for the fast charge of all your devices. So I highly recommend it. See you.